And there you have it, guys. This is the completion. And this is the result. You can buy your kits at LeatherTeck.com, upholsterytechnology.com. Guys, we carry more than 60 colors, combinations, suede, exotics, perforations, you name it. Piping, color stitch. Mostly virtually any vehicle that you have. You can buy low cost kits, high quality, factory quality, more than factory quality. Just visit us at LeatherTeck.com. Make the selection and send the form or call me directly. There is the number right there in the website, LeatherTeck.com, upholsterytechnology.com. Visit us in San Bernardino. Guys, like, subscribe. If you have questions, please put it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you. Get rid of ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats. Get leather, guys. This is beautiful. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next videos, next projects. We make these ones very often, so look up for the next videos. Thank you.